Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by confirming your phone and carrier support unconditional forwarding and by having your account PIN ready. Dial the carrier's deactivation sequence or use the phone settings now. This is the first actionable step. On many devices, open phone settings call forwarding and look for the unconditional or always option. Once located, note the forwarded number shown so you can verify later. If you're using carrier codes, prepare to enter the specific cancel code next. Now perform the deactivation. If using device settings, tap the unconditional/always entry and choose off or delete. If using a carrier code, dial the cancel code exactly and press call. Listen for a confirmation tone or network voice that the service is removed and watch for an on-screen confirmation message. After the carrier or phone confirms, restart your device to clear any temporary network state. Make sure to reopen the call forwarding menu to confirm the unconditional entry is gone. Finish by verifying the change. Place a test call from a different phone to ensure it rings your device rather than a forwarded number. If calls still forward, contact your carrier with your account PIN and explain you removed unconditional call forwarding. Ask them to clear it from the network side. If carrier support can't resolve it, try toggling airplane mode, then reboot, and as a last resort restore network settings or factory reset after backing up data. This avoids unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.